first demo on how to create a Spring Boot application and move that application on the Bitbucket repository. So without any further delay, let's get started, guys. So I'm going to create my first Spring application through start.io Spring Boot initializer website. So in the Spring initializer website, first of all, I'm going to create my Java application. So in the project section, I have to select the Maven because I am going to create a Maven project here, and in the language I have to select the Java because I have created the application with the help of Java language. In the Spring Boot version, I have to select I'm selected 3.2.5 version because because this is my choice. You can select any of that version over here. Now I'm going in the project metadata. Here I have to write the name of the group. In the group section, we should give the name of the organization, like in the name of the organization where you are working. Like I am going to create the name here like com dot Alkhair. Now in the artifact, we should give the name of the project. So I am going to give the name of my project is demo. Demo 1, and here whatever the name of the artifact which are going to giving, already the name is already the same name in the name section has come. In the description, we are going to give the description of our project. Like I am going to give the description like this is first demo application, and the package name is nothing guys. It is just a combination of group and artifact. Group means organization name and artifact is the project name. So it is just a combination of project and artifact name. So already it is by default it has come. In the packaging system, there are two options are available, jar and var. Basically, whenever we have to create a Java application, then we use to select jar file, and whenever we want to create a web application, then we use to select var file. And in the version, we can select any of the version of Java, but I have already installed Java of 17 on my PC, so I have already selected Java 17. So in the dependency section, we have to choose some dependencies. Like I am going to choose two dependencies. The first one is Spring Wave, and the second one is Spring DevTool. So in this dependency, Spring Dev dependency, nothing but it is used to create a web including RESTful APIs application, and it is also used to create Spring MVC application. That's why we use this dependency. We also used to going another dependency like Spring Boot DevTools. In this dependency is nothing. It is used to provide fast application restart, and it is also used to actually, this dependency is basically used to automatically restart the server. We do not need to start our service manually. That's why this dependency we have added. Okay, now I am going to generate that jar file, not jar file, that is zip file. So as you are seeing, guys, my file is already downloaded in the download section of my PC. So I'm just cut this zip file from here and going to paste in my personal folder, that is internship demo. I have already created there. So as you are seeing, guys, this is empty folder, so I am going to paste over here. Now I am going to extract this file as you are seeing guys, my file is already extracted here, but there is a problem guys. There is a nested folder has created, so I'm just cut all the files from here and going to paste on the main folder of demo1. Now I'm going to delete that folder. So the nesting concept is now over here. So as you are seeing, my demo folder is already created here. Now I'm going to import that file in my IDE. I am using Spring STS IDE in my PC. So I have already created a workspace, separate workspace with the name of my internship. So I'm going to import that project in my IDE. So with for importing, I have to click on file, then import. Now you are seeing guys here, we have to select Maven and existing Maven project. Click on existing Maven project. Now click on next, and here in the browse section we have to choose our file. Like I'm going to select my files, the demo1 name. As one important note guys, you have to select the pom.xml file from here. If you are not going to select, then there will be problem in your project. So please note that you have to select that pom.xml file while you are going to import your project to your IDE. So just check that pom.xml file. Okay, now we click on finish. As you are seeing guys, my file is already started importing, so it takes some time. Okay, it is already, yeah, it is done. Now it is building. As you are seeing guys, my application has imported, and now it is showing here boot. So we can know that it is a Spring Boot application. Now my project has already successfully imported in my IDE. Now you are seeing that there are different packages in my project, like source main Java here, and hulkhire.demo.1. In this there is a class, Java class, like this. This is the main class. My program is started from here, because this is the main class of our application, and there are different packages as you are seeing guys. Now I am going to create a index.html file. I am going to create a HTML file in my application. So to create HTML file, we just need to use this source.main.resource package, and in the static folder, just right click over here and click new other HTML file. Now I have to use the name here, index.html. As you are seeing that I have successfully created a index.html file. I am going to give a title demo1 here, and in the body section I am just giving some text over here, just like this is my first demo for Spring Boot application. Okay, now I have already applied some text in the body section, and index.html file is also created. Now my whole task of this project has completed. Now I'm going to run my application. For running my application, I have to use some commands of Maven. These commands are clean, install, and package. In clean command, basically we use to clean our project, and it is used to basically clean our project from unwanted files that will occur in our project. And in the Maven package command, this file is basically used to create a jar file, and in the Maven install command, is used to, it also used to create a package, plus it is also used to create a visibility of our project dependency to our other projects. Okay, now I'm going to use this all commands in my application. So using this command, we need to right click on our project and click on run as, then click on the Maven build, guys. Now here we use the Maven command of like clean, and now we going to apply run. Okay, as you are seeing, guys, my application is successfully cleaned. Now I am going to use another command of Maven, that is install. So right click on our project, click on run as, then Maven build, and here in the goal section you have to write install command of Maven, and install, and then skip the test cases and run that project. As you are seeing, guys, my project is successfully built. Now I am going to use another command of Maven, that is package. So again right click on that project, click on run as, then Maven build, and use to write package command of Maven, skip test cases and run. As you are seeing, guys, my whole project is successfully built. Now I am going to run my application with the help of clean Spring Boot run command. So I am going to right click on my project, then run as, then again click on Maven build, guys, and I am going to write the command of here, clean Spring Boot, clean Spring dash boot colon run. Skip the test cases. Now run. It takes some time, guys. As you are seeing that my application is successfully launched, guys, in the console. As you are seeing that my server is already starting servlet engine Apache Tomcat. Here it is written started Tomcat, and here it is already written that started demo application in the 4.018 seconds. So it is defined that in the Apache has already started in this time frame. Now I am going to launch my application in the browser because it already successfully launched in the console. So I am going to successfully launch this project into my browser. Okay, for launching my application in the browser, I have to use the URL like localhost 88. So this one. So here, look at here, guys, my index.html file, whatever I have given in the body section, it is already appeared in my browser. So my application and the project is successfully launched, and my application is already launched in the browser. So it is the demo of creating first Spring Boot application. Now I am going to come on the another topic, that is creating repository in the Bitbucket. So to create repository in the Bitbucket, first of all I have to come in the Bitbucket website. So as you are seeing guys, I have already created a repository in my Bitbucket, so I need to create another repository for demo. That's why I'm going to create another repository here. So click on the create tab and click on the repository. Now I am going to look here. I have already created the workspace, so it is showing that May internship. Now I am going to create the repository name here. So I am going to give my repository name Spring Boot Demo. Spring Boot Demo. Okay, and it is access level is private, so I am already ticked it in a private repository. And now look here, already a branch is selected, that is main. Basically there are three main branches: main, integration and features. One by one I have created all these branches. First my target is to complete this main branch in this demo. So I have we do not need to write here because already main branches are selected by default. So again, so let's create the repository. Okay, I think the project is already created. Yes, Spring Demo. Demo second. So I'm going to create. It takes some time. Okay, now my project is successfully created, guys. Spring Boot. Here, this is my project, Spring Boot Demo 2. Okay, Spring Boot Demo. Spring Demo 2 is the name of my project, and Spring Boot Demo is the name of, I think, repository. Yes. Now I'm going to create. And look, I've already created a repository here. Now I'm going to clone the file in my in the source tree. So going to the project. Now I have to click on the clone here and clone this source tree. So I'm going to open the source tree. Okay guys, it is taking some time. Just checking source. We have to give the destination folder in that file. Taking some time. Checking source. going to give I am going to create a sync folder in my local. So for this I am going to create another folder here. Here I am going to create a folder. So this is called sync folder. I am going to rename it demo source tree. Okay. Okay, now I am going to copy all the files look, I'm not copied, not I'm not copied here. Look, all the files is already from here, get folder. Copy all the files from here in demo source tree file folder. Now you are seeing that some unstaged files are, look, this all files is coming into the source tree. Now I am going to stage all files and stage all file here and give some description here. Like I'm giving the description here, Spring first demo of Spring Boot. So just I'm going to commit. Commit file. Look, all the file is successfully committed, guys, in my Bitbucket. And you are seeing that there is a one notification come into the push button here. And look, you can also see that all the files is successfully committed. So I'm going to click on the push, and we have to select the push button here and give the name of our branch. So I'm giving the name. There is only one branch in my Bitbucket, so I'm just select one branch, that is main. So I'm successfully click on push. successfully pushed into the Bitbucket. So I am going to check that in my Bitbucket. Bitbucket repository. So I'm going to refresh this. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to check my file. Okay, as you are seeing that 1 minute ago all the files are successfully committed in our Bitbucket. In the main branch, I didn't create another branch, so there is only one branch in my Spring Boot in my Bitbucket. So there is only one branch, and this all file is successfully committed on the Bitbucket. So thank you guys. I will create another demo to to create another branch, like integration and feature branch. So thank you guys. This is my first step.